Hello guys, welcome to Foodacity. This is my first video ever, just trying to make it better. Hope you guys like it. I have put multiple pictures on my Insta page. This is going to be a Italian dish which I'm going to show you live. So today I'm going to make a white sauce pasta. So for that we would need yellow pepper, green pepper, red pepper, broccoli, garlic, onion, butter, Amul cheese, fine flour, boiled pasta, milk, and for the toppings we have mixed herbs and we have red chili. Sometimes people doesn't have time to chop the garlic, they become lazy, you can say. So in that case you always get ginger garlic powder, which is easily available in the market. You can use that gives also the same taste as the garlic. So let's get started. In a pan we will add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once the oil is heated we can add onion. Saute onion a little bit. We do not want that to be cooked fully. We do not want them to get brown. It just saute them for a minute or so. Now you can see the onion is already been cooked. Now we are going to add yellow bell pepper. Then we are going to add green bell pepper. Then we are going to add red bell pepper. And again saute them for a minute or so. Make sure you do not cook the vegetables fully. It always gives the taste when they are crunchy. Now you can see that the vegetables have become crunchy. They are not overly cooked. Now we are going to add broccoli. Again we are going to make sure that it is not also cooked. Just saute them for a minute. It gives you a crunchy taste. At this point you can add a little bit of salt so the vegetable can cook easily or quickly. Saute there for a minute. Make sure your flame is always in a medium heat. Do not make it on a high flame. Now you can see vegetables are already cooked the way we want. At this point of time we are going to turn off the flame and keep this vegetable aside, and we'll start to make with the sauce. To make the sauce we are going to add butter into it. Here we have taken 100 grams of butter. Generally people use olive oil, but I always prefer to use butter. That will give you a nice taste because it already has a salt and you do not need to put extra salt in that, which is also health beneficial. Once the butter is melted we are going to add chopped garlic. Saute them till it shows brown color. Once the garlic shows they are turning into brown, we can add the fine flour, which is of 2 tablespoons. You have to make sure that you are moving the spoon in a right direction and there is no lumps. The fine flour has to get mixed with the butter and the garlic, so it will give you a nice taste. Once the flour is cooked, we can add milk now. Make sure you do not keep the fine flour as it is. Make sure it is cooked well. Otherwise it will not give you proper taste when you try to make white pasta. So this is the basic step, that the fine flour has to be cooked fully. Fully means you do not have to burn it, just cooked it properly. Now it's already cooked. Now we are going to add milk. I have taken 1 glass of milk and keep stirring it. There should not be no lumps in it. It's always better that we can use whisk instead of spoon. So fine flour, milk, butter and garlic all mixed well. Sometimes you can add sugar immediately, but I always prefer to mix everything well and then can add sugar, so that will give you a nice taste of a sweetness. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix it well again. Now we are going to add a little bit of salt. As I told you earlier, in butter we already have a lot of salt, so make sure you add salt as per taste. I am adding a little bit of salt here, and again I am stirring it. Let this sauce get thicker, and once it gets thicker you can switch off the flame. At this point you can add seasoning also. Sometimes you can add later on. I always prefer to add seasoning here only, so it mixes well in all the pasta instead of just putting them upon the pasta. So I am adding a little bit of red chili flakes here. Now I am adding herbs. These all things has to be added as per your taste. I like herbs a lot, so I add more. I'm stirring it now. Now you can see the boil is already coming up and the sauce is already cooked. Now here is a twist which I have not told you earlier. I like to add mint leaves here, which gives you a taste like a parsley, but mint is an Indian flavor, you can say. Most of the time we use it. So I've added mint leaves to the sauce, and now the sauce is cooked. I am going to switch off the flame. Once the sauce is ready, I kept that aside. Now I am going to add pasta, the boiled pasta, into the vegetable. I have turned on the flame, which is again at the low flame. Now at this point I am adding the pasta, the boiled pasta. Mixing it with the vegetables which we cooked. Once the vegetable and pasta is mixed well, we are just give them a minute to cook it again, and then we're going to add the white sauce which we have made it. Now we are going to add the white sauce to it. And now we are going to mix it. Make sure your flame is at a low, otherwise your sauce will get more thicker. Once you mix it well, it's ready to serve. And here is the white sauce pasta with cheese, ready to eat. You can have a look. It's so yummy. Thank you guys, hope you like this video. Watch more space, and we're going to add more videos soon. Thank you.